I'm Richard Piper, mechanical design lead at Johnson Matthey. We're into hydrogen fuel cell technology. The lean lifts for us were really appealing because what we don't have here in Swindon is a lot of floor space. We've grown, we've expanded, we've got new areas that have taken up space where storage might have happened previously. What we do have though is ceiling height, and of course the benefit of the lean lift is it's the small footprint but maximising all that available height, which was really appealing to us. We were forced to store stuff pretty unsightly on racks in full view of all visitors and all staff. All of that now has been swallowed up and it's been placed into the lean lift. So we've now got a much nicer sort of appearance to the business, and 5S wise it's just ticking all the boxes. So security is very high, and there are some products of value within our operation, and keeping them safe is of the utmost importance. And to be able to segregate and allocate individual shelves to various departments was very beneficial, and that was one of the appealing things about the system. At a drop of a hat we can go on the screen and we can view exactly what we've got in stock and where it is and when it was put in and by who. So in terms of traceability and all-round inventory improvement, it's been a real benefit. You plumb in what you want and you get exactly what you want on the tray in the location that you're expecting to see it. Like anything, there is the human element where it relies on somebody loading it, but with good training, and experience of the operators, really, now that we're getting into the groove, we're finding that the product is exactly where you expected it to be, which is, after all, what we got the machine for. We're very, very strong here at Johnson Matthey on our operator safety, and everything gets risk assessed and surveyed. So having a constant work height that's well lit, protected with light curtains and so on, it's almost an absolute must for us really on any equipment. So the fact that that's built into the lean lift itself just ticked all our safety boxes as well, so that's great. This is the Johnson Matthey preferred blue colour. And now the icing on the cake has been put on today with our logo on the top. So we're absolutely delighted with the finish, and it blends in with everything else around us where you see the Johnson Matthey logo. The marketing team provided us with renders of what the finished livered machine would look like. That was an easy sell to our senior management. A lot of the stuff we do is quiet under the cover, but when you've got an opportunity to show a good piece of kit, why not show that off? Throughout the whole thing, we've been fully supported. We've had, boots on the ground contact with people if there's been any issues. They've been able to come out and resolve those. The installation itself was absolutely fantastic. We sort of budgeted or planned for 5 days, and I think it was up and running in 3. The team that came on site were fantastic. They couldn't do enough for us. It was done safely, it was done efficiently, and then subsequently we've had IT support. I couldn't praise all that team highly enough really. It's been a really, really positive experience right from the outset.